Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. Alright, let's begin. First, open the TradingView desktop app and load the chart you want to use. To create another chart window, right-click on the TradingView browser tab and select Duplicate. TradingView will open a new chart in a separate window. Next, drag the new window onto your second monitor. Repeat the same process if you want to open additional chart windows for more monitors. This gives you more space to monitor different markets or timeframes simultaneously. Now, to link your charts, click the chart layout icon near the top of the screen. From there, configure the layout that best fits your workflow. Since this is a paid feature, I won't be able to show it to you, but in your case, you will be able to do it. TradingView also lets you link specific chart actions across all open charts. You can also enable options such as symbol, interval, crosshair, time, or date range, depending on what you want to synchronize. If you want each chart to work independently, simply disable the options you don't want linked. You can adjust these settings anytime to match your trading style. So that's basically how you can use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks!